How to factory reset Android device when you forget your pattern, PIN, code or password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can recover or how we can factory reset our Android device if we have forgotten the password, pattern or PIN code to regain the access. However, this method will erase all your data on your device, so you have to keep that thing on your mind. Now, in order to factory reset your Android device, first of all, you have to turn off your device. Once you turn off your device, now you have to press and hold the power button with the volume up button together. After that, you will see the recovery menu on your interface. So you have to keep on pressing the power plus volume up button until you see the recovery menu. After that, you have to use the volume buttons to navigate and select the option as wipe data or factory reset. So once you see that option, with the help of your volume button, you have to navigate to that. Now, you have to confirm by selecting yes using the power button. After the reset, you have to select the reboot system now. And with that, you'll be able to regain your device access and all your data, including your images, your photos, videos, contacts, messages will all be gone. So that is the way to reset your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.